How to comment anonymously on Facebook. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Then, go to Groups. You can view all your groups on Facebook from here. Open any group from here. Now, scroll down and go over to any post over here. Then, tap on Comment below it. Here, tap on the anonymous icon beside the comment box as shown. Then, type in a comment in the comment box. After that, tap on the send icon beside it. You have now successfully commented on this post anonymously. Anonymous comments do not include your name or profile photo. As you can see, the publisher name is anonymous participant instead of your name. Following these steps, you can easily comment anonymously on a Facebook.